Ozone is an unstable natural gas. A pleasant scent that fills the air after a thunderstorm belongs to the ozone produced by lightning. Its molecules are generated by a UV light or electrical discharge through pure oxygen or just dry air. When exposed, the oxygen molecule is split into two oxygen atoms. Then the atom connects to another oxygen molecule, and thus ozone is formed. The well-known smell doesn't last long because the gas is unstable and decomposes to pure oxygen soon without any trace. The half-life of the ozone molecule is just 20 minutes. But during the lifetime, it has an exceptional oxidation potential, which makes the gas an important element of modern industry. Ozone in nature is absolutely safe for humans, but its oxidizing properties make it the most efficient and the most environmentally friendly disinfectant. Being nature's own disinfection agent, ozone eliminates a large number of harmful contaminants like viruses, bacteria, or fungi. It is twice more oxidizing than chlorine, but unlike chlorine and other chemicals, unconsumed ozone reverts back to oxygen with no residuals. Also, ozone improves the effectiveness of biological and particulate filtration. The industrial scope of ozone is massive. Ozone has been used for drinking water disinfection since 1904. The other applications are water treatments and wastewater disinfection, odor, color, and taste control, cooling towers protection, aquaculture, food storage and processing, clean-in-place systems, laundry systems, medicine, surface sanitation, iron and manganese removal, soil and groundwater remediation, and many more.